So this is a nice Sunday sail, and it's actually a Sunday.
It's just a Sunday, yeah.
Which Sunday is it?
July 24th.
Yeah, and you have a lot of clothes on.
Yes. I was saying it this morning, thinking, can't believe it is. It could easily just have been the English coast, south coast in the winter.
Yeah, in February,
like this.
yeah.
Yeah, in February it was like this, wasn't it?
Yeah. But we are still enjoying Svalbard.
Yes. We aren't finished just yet.
Now we are not furthest away. We will, because Texan Bar will be
the furthest, I think.
Or if we go down to these hot springs, but then
we'll turn this ship.
So, but Worsleyhamna was probably the most east.
Yeah.
Take me to the ruins, aquifers and springs, baby ferns uncurling, every living thing. Be to me a mother, both hands on the wheel. Show me faded color, fields of chamomile. All at once in a dream, we are together. You could call it a vision or a tether. All at once I can see it, put back together. You could call it a vision or a tether.
Today we will go a little excursion to where are we going today?
We're going to Texan Bar and it's 9 o'clock in the morning.
Texas Bar.
Texas Bar and it's 9 o'clock in the morning.
And
I'm shaking. No, I'm kidding you. I'm kidding you. I'm not.
yeah. And Texas Bar is, could it be the most northern bar in the world?
I think so.
Yeah. And we will see what it is.
Yeah, it would be
Yeah.
good to see who's servicing today.
I
Who's
guess we
working
have
behind.
to serve ourselves
Oh, do you
there.
think so?
Yeah. And we will probably, hopefully, be the only visitors today.
Yeah. And maybe we will see what we can find.
Yeah. And it's like maybe like a 2-kilometer walk
Yeah.
from where we are anchored.
And it's in bear country. Polar bear country.
Yeah. Whole of Svalbard is polar bear country.
I know, but these rocks, they look like, yes.
They have bear potential. you
They
think.
have bear
They will
potential.
be hiding behind them and just
Yeah.
jump out and.
Yeehaw! There they are! I'm
Yeah.
hungry!
That's a juicy Swede. Let's get her.
I'll get him.
Oh, okay. I think you look more juicy than me.
Packing the dinghy.
Yeah. So it's Monday morning.
And now when there is like no wind, we can feel the smell from all the birds up there. Because there is a lot of birds. You can't see it, but we have looked in our binoculars and can see that there are a lot of them on the wall there. So let's go in and
Hi, my Bushpoint.
leaving the boat there.
Super quiet.
Yeah, it's really quiet there.
So when are we starting to make the bear noises so we would scare the bear away?
Ho, 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 ho.
Nobody's afraid of the big bear wolf.
Big bad
wolf.
bear. Big bad bear.
Nobody is afraid of a bear. No, 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 not me. We have a friend who's afraid of bears too.
Yeah.
Never thought I would be. But here I am, prepared to make a lot of noise so the bear won't come.
So there are two birds. So the other one is chasing the other one to
The
heat
brown.
up the food and they want to eat it.
Yeah, they eat up the regurgitated food. I think they are skuas something. There are two different sorts of them, and I can't see which one this is. Not that I maybe wouldn't even know.
Oh, now there is other birds coming, and all of them are on the small white one. Oh, they are bad boys.
Oh, you can hear them. They're smacking.
Ah, they came to rescue him. The hiking shoes are on, and now we can start hiking up here to see where we're going. I think we need to climb a little bit. We need to do that for sure. I think we need to climb up there. Jeanette taking a photo of the boat there. Yeah, it's quite beautiful. You need to climb up there.
Really?
Yes, you do. Okay. You're doing all right.
Yeah.
Looks like you never done anything else than climbing. Don't fall down there now. And she's up. I guess we are going uphill.
Is it up there and around?
I think we're going upward there somewhere. And I don't know which is the best way though. We made it up on this hill with the beautiful view of the boat and the Monaco Bren. But I guess we could have walked down there instead, because we are going, I don't know if you can see it, over there is Texan Bar. There. Can you get down there?
Yeah.
Downhill, show me the way.
Yeah.
But it was good to go up on this hill, because now we got a really good overview and could check out the premises that there is no polar bear there. And there is still snow here.
Yeah.
You see it? See there? Snow and ice. So it has been not that warm, but I guess it's a lot of snow here.
In the winter, yeah.
Yeah. I started the camera too late. She's singing, so the bear could hear us coming. Can you sing? Can't you sing again?
No.
The bar is over there. Soon we are on the beach. You could probably anchor just outside here, but then it's not a very good night anchorage though, but we wanted to hike as well.
Yeah.
Look there, somebody has been eating here.
Oops.
But that was a long time ago, so I don't think you need to.
But then we know it is an eating place anyway, so we must keep an eye
It's
out.
like a dinner table.
Yeah.
You repeat that in English.
So many thoughts, haven't I? So somehow I think I'm rather walk here in this 10 degrees warm weather than in the Caribbean with the beautiful beaches and
And naked.
full sunshine no, not naked, but bikini. And you can't protect yourself because it's just so hot.
Yeah, this is a nice temperature for walking.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
We are here, coming up to the famous Texan bar. They even have a little patio for I go around and have a look to see that I don't see any polar bears hiding here. We are here. There is like 2 doors. Maybe this is the toilet, I don't know. It feels like it. This was the
Woodshed.
woodshed. And there is a door on the other side as well. Here. This is some technique to open this, I think. I think you have to hold the camera and film it, and I will open the door somehow. It is secured, I promise you.
That is what I call a secure door. And what type of bone did they find? Oh, so this is just the pre-entrance, as you would say in Swedish. Farstu. Here's the farstu only. You come in here first. If you like, you can stay over.
Yeah.
This is a sleeping kind of underlayer. And now I come in here where Fredrik is, and let's see if we can have
Here's the
bar.
bar. So we can right there.
Oh, somebody put down a champagne and white wine and
Yeah. Hold Fast has been here in Norway. Isbjörn. So they were here the 28th of June. I think we will. There is a bottle of Finlandia from sailing vessel Patagonia. And we will place a bottle here as well.
yes, we will.
So now we are signing the guest book. We are leaving a bottle of Kyrö gin. That's a Finnish gin. And there was, so now they are represented at the northernmost bar in the world.
Oh.
I don't know that, but it probably is one of the northernmost bars in the world.
I think this is the world's most northern bar. Where can it be otherwise?
Yeah, they may have maybe some bar at the research station Thule or something like that in Greenland. I don't know if that's further north, but
I don't know.
but that this is like a bar, a proper bar, so to say. We didn't bring any cups, so we have to take it straight from the bottle.
Good citrus.
Yeah, now your turn.
It says on the Finnish origin with a heart of wild nature. Which we actually are very much wild nature here.
This is not getting more wild than...
No. And with a naked ambition.
Yeah.
I think it was a very nice chins, like 10 o'clock on a Monday morning. A lot of citrus, oily. I hope people will do come here and enjoy it.
Yeah.
And they can drink it raw like they drink a vodka. Okay, so we're closing the bar.
The bar is closing. Last call for alcohol. It's closing.
So people can come and stay and spend the night here if they are on a trekking around Svalbard. Or if they want to not sleep on the boat. But I don't understand why, but if you don't want to, you don't want to. Okay, so we are heading back to the boat and maybe do some sailing today because the wind has arrived. Sounds like a good idea, no?
Yes. And we're probably going to Monaco Glacier over there. You see, it's much less ice than yesterday. So I think we can get closer.
Yeah. On y va.
As the French says. Bye Texas bar. And now we are soon back where we started. The boat is down there, and now we only have to come down to the dinghy, which is somewhere down there. There we have the dinghy. Everything is good. Now we need to find a way down. You go on the side. Yeah, you can go first because then I can hold the camera when you're tumbling down.
Well, my plan is not to do that. Where was I going then?
Okay. Are you climbing, my dear?
Yeah. I don't have the same long legs.
Size of legs as I have. No. But I think you're doing a good job.
Yeah, me too. So I'm done.
Good work. And now we put the dinghy in the water and then we can go back.
I'm happy you're doing this job. It was rather heavy when I tried the other day.
We're going in reverse. So the plan now is, what time is it now, you think? Is it 11 o'clock coffee?
It's 11 o'clock coffee and then...
and you made some of this banana nut bread yesterday, so we have that. And then we're off to see the Monaco Glacier.
Yeah.
And then...
Inshallah, we'll see what happens.
Maybe end up in Worsleyhamna later. Again. But yeah, we can do that again. Oh, now we're into Monaco Glacier, and we are looking at these icebergs over here. I don't know if they will be as blue as they are in the real life, IRL as we say.
I like turquoise.
Yeah.
Turquoise blue. I haven't seen that from any other videos, glaciers.
No. So, but this is Monaco Glacier. That's it. Maybe it's from royal blood, so it's blue because of that.
One never knows.
Blue-blooded. It's a little bit tricky navigation here now because we are among the icebergs here. We are trying to get the closest possible to Monaco Glacier, who is over there. It's a fantastic one, I must say. is big. And yeah, we'll see how far we'll get. We can push some ice, but we don't want to do something with the propeller or something. Yeah, we're zigzagging a little bit here. We're trying to get out a little bit here. Maybe it's less icebergs. You see, there's a... You don't want to push these guys. We're trying to get through here. Ska jag svänga vänster ner här? And go left here, or port, so to say. You can hear the glacier coughing, but we don't see anything. But you clearly can hear it. And now we are passing one of these blue things again. We'll try to find our way out now. Here we have one of these super blue ones. Getting a little bit better now, but it's still a lot of ice. But the gaps are getting wider, so to say. A little siesta.
Yeah.
Good. I think we can't complain about this afternoon after the Monaco Brain and Texan Bar in the morning. And now, what was the name of this anchorage? Worsley Harbor or something like that. Worsleyhamna. And it's completely flat. Have a look. It's like totally calm. Jeanette is changing bed linen and is just beautiful. This is straight in the sun, so I guess can't use it, but we'll never know, because it's like magic. So Mooshamnar, where we were not last night, the night before, is over there somewhere. So this is just opposite. We're having a little after cleaning, we could say.
Yeah.
And after sail. We didn't sail much today, but we were very close to the Monaco Glacier,
Yeah.
and we did the Texan bar,
Texan bar. We walked, hiked over there.
and then left a bottle of gin,
Yeah, Kyrö gin.
and then there is like no wind and the sun is shining, and it's like magic to sit
It's
here.
magic, yeah.
I don't know if you can see the view over there, but it's not bad.
And one could say that we could have this as a sundowner, but the sun doesn't go down.
No, it's not going down.
So therefore it is an after
Clean.
motoring, cleaning.
After.
Yeah, so what we have done today is like what the cruise ships do. We've done 2 stops.
Yeah,
We did
2 excursions.
2 excursions, yes. It's been a busy Monday.
Yeah. And now we'll stay here and wait for some wind, and then we can start our way backwards or back.
Back to Longyearbyen.
Yeah, but that will take some time.
Yes. Maybe waiting for the wind will take some time.
Yeah, I think it will come tomorrow afternoon maybe. But we will see.
We'll see. Cheers.
Cheers.